Let us introduce you to DeepPlay, a startup that applied for DigitalAMN's 2024 to 2025 Public Accelerator-Incubator (PAI) program. DeepPlay has recently completed the assessment phase of the onboarding process, and we're excited to see how they progress to the next phase. If you are a private investor, please lend us your insight. At its heart, DeepPlay is about fostering creativity and helping users achieve a state of flow through movement, expression, and artistry. Whether you're learning your first steps or perfecting your craft, DeepPlay connects you to expert creators who guide you every step of the way. DeepPlay operates on a subscription model, similar to Patreon. Creators upload tutorials and users can access them through affordable monthly subscriptions or one-time purchases. It's a win-win. Creators share their expertise, and users gain unparalleled access to quality content. Behind DeepPlay is a passionate team led by founder Shay Singh. With $18,000 of personal investment, Shay and his team have built a functional prototype currently in beta testing with iOS users. DeepPlay's journey is a great example of what DigitalAMN's Public Accelerator-Incubator program, a platform designed to empower startups and their communities through equity crowdfunding, aims to support. Here, entrepreneurs don't just raise money, they acquire customers and an army of marketers. Users don't just consume, they learn and participate, becoming investors and advocates for the ventures they believe in. And DigitalAMN adds potential viable, high-value businesses to their portfolio to increase their asset holdings. The PAI intro call is a critical step in assessing DeepPlay's potential fit for the program. It's part of a rigorous onboarding process to ensure every venture is an appropriate business opportunity for everyday people to potentially invest in. So join us in exploring the business of DeepPlay. Engage and get educated. Watch the intro call. Review the intro call summary. Engage with the educational materials. And discover how you can actively participate in vetting this innovative startup while learning in real time how to assess investment opportunities on equity crowdfunding portals. Together, through the power of community-backed innovation, we can help shape the potential future of movement, creativity, and entrepreneurship through DeepPlay. DigitalAMN.com. Get money, grow wealth, and create impact.